Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we will create a parallax animation carousel in Adobe XD. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We will start by creating a rectangle for our carousel. You can choose any size you like. Now center align the rectangle to the artboard. Here I am giving a border radius of 15. And also changing the fill color to black and removing the border of the rectangle. You can also remove the border in the later steps as well. Now we will make a copy of this rectangle, and while holding shift, scale it down a little bit like this. Now use the same procedure to create few more rectangles. Once we are done, let's add the images now. We will mask the images with the rectangles. I have some of the images already saved with me. Now select one of the image and drag that image to the rectangle like this. Now we will add other images to the rest of the rectangles as well. Once the images are added, we will now adjust the focus points, or I should say focus area of the images for the parallax effect. Now we will group these rectangles together. Now duplicate the artboard. We need to reposition the images in this artboard in order to make it look like a carousel while prototyping. Now move the images accordingly so that they matches the original position like this. Also make sure you change the focus of the images according to their positions. Once everything is set, we are ready to go to prototyping stage now. Go to prototype, select this image and send it to the second artboard. With the trigger tab, type I've taken Auto Animate here, easing snap, and duration I've taken 2 seconds. Now select the second artboard, select this image and send it to the first artboard. With the same trigger, same type, same easing and with the same duration. Let's see how it works now. There we have it. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos.